Don't tell the planet who you are. Show them. Whether you're a recently minted startup or a recognized business that's prepared to reinvent itself, a precise identity and distinctive branding will provide you with the extra advantage to make the correct impression. We as creatives focus on building distinct brand name identities. They're made to disrupt established marketplaces and create growth together with your intended audience. Brands, similar to Rome, are not built in a day. By firmly taking a heavy dive into knowing your organization, customers, short phrase, and long-term objectives, we are able to resurface and use our innovative magic to your specific situation. From brand name positioning and messaging to company logo and corporate identity deals, our team is with the capacity to delivering big company results with far more personal contact by fostering a collaborative atmosphere that integrates your essential decision makers in our procedure. Your finger will remain on the pulse of one's project's creative direction. Are you set to unleash your untapped possible? We can't wait around to get started. Company logo branding and corporate identity. Company logo and branding overview. Brand strategy deep dive. Your brand may be the essence of one's business. It's what you do as well as your reputation, all rolled into one. If that brand name will be inconsistent or undefined at all, it loses lots of its power. Work with us of creatives to explore every part of one's business, online existence and messaging, client perceptions and comments, short-term and long-term targets, and existing color schemes, fonts, and logos. After collecting this information, we will dive actually deeper to identify your current ideals and priorities, and how those align together with your overall brand name presence. Then, we shall identify possibilities to disrupt present established marketplaces and create growth together with your intended target audience, through modifications to messaging, tone, and the visible elements of your organization, logo, supporting images, fonts, and colors. Towards the end of the deep dive, you'll receive actionable strategic suggestions and every brand technique deep dive includes current brand presence assessment, 3-hour intensive digital whiteboard session, professional recommendations, real-world brand persona examples. Our brand technique deep dive is roofed with both business and premier logo design and branding packages. Company logo and branding package includes around 3 initial logo ideas based on the direction and eyesight identified in the brand name strategy deep dive, and also our discussions and study caused by the discovery procedure. 3 rounds of revision are usually included to master the logo you decide on. You'll receive print-ready and optimized web versions of one's final logo in exactly the same file formats as our basic package. Branding consists of suggested hexadecimal colors and main and secondary font faces. This package also contains a custom email signature and business card design, 2 initial principles and 2 rounds of revision each. We shall also develop a custom social media marketing profile picture to be utilized across all platforms.
Files are usually delivered electronically. Premier logo and branding package with Milky Web. Our Premier bundle includes around 5 initial logo ideas based on the direction and eyesight identified in the brand name strategy deep dive, along with our discussions and analysis caused by the discovery process. Around 5 rounds of revision are usually included to master the logo you decide on.
You'll receive print-ready and optimized web versions of one's final logo in exactly the same file formats as our basic package, along with the branding guide. To perform your brand name transformation and offer a cohesive identification across all systems, the Premier bundle includes custom email signature, business card style, stationery, letterhead, envelopes, and folder, and a double-sided rack card or postcard style. We will also produce custom cover images for 3 social media marketing platforms, and you'll get a social media profile picture to be utilized across all platforms. Contact us today to get started with your project. Visit www.milkyweb.co.nz for more info.